Gentlemen, gather around. I want to share something real quick. Faceless channel is the hardest thing for me, believe it or not, because I'm literally talking to a computer. Usually I'm used to talking to the camera. The reason I have this channel faceless is because I want to focus on the actual stuff, the behind the scene, the screen recording, the walkthrough. And this channel took a different approach. And so I decided, why not just keep it that way? However, personally, I love to have my face on because that's easier to talk to people. All right, that's out, but that's not the topic of this channel. And since I'm here after 2 weeks, almost 2 weeks, I'll do my best to give you whatever I've learned in the past several days, weeks, all the useful stuff with zero fluffs. So take whatever is useful and ignore the rest. But I'm going to show you, before that, I'm going to show you a few channels, YouTube channels, AI related, really popular channels. And they'll show you the decline of AI, basically, what's happening. Because literally every channel tries to follow and copy one another. And that's my point. If you look at mine, most of my videos are actually guides. And I plan on giving this to my sister, niece and nephews down the road so they can actually learn something from it. Yes, there are some news related which will be or become irrelevant down the road. But imagine a channel like this. Massive news, massive this and that is gonna become irrelevant because AI is growing rapidly. You get the point? So hence, when I started this channel, just like anybody else, yes, let's get to 1 million subscribers as quick as possible. Let's start selling courses. Let's grift. Let's do this and that. It's not gonna work for me. With 300 views, 200 views, it's not gonna work. The moment I start grifting, I'll lose everything. Why I'm telling you this? Because I'm playing the long game. And whatever I do, and this is one of my channels, all my channels and my life and my businesses run on some principles. And trust is a big of a deal for me. Once you break that, it's kind of gone. So my businesses, including my YouTube channels, run on trust, which unfortunately, a lot of these channels don't have. So why I'm showing you all these channels? Let's discuss. First, Matt Wolf. He's a legit YouTuber. Nice dude. He grew rapidly. I followed him. This guy is one of the few dudes who actually come from the internet marketing field. No grifting, nothing. But literally from 1,000 subs, if you go back to some of his videos, you'll be surprised that his first video has about just a few hundred views. And then all of a sudden, he grew to 100,000, 60,000 views. And if you look at some of the videos here, huge, lots of views. And he's getting a lot of traction. I won't be surprised to see him with 1 million subscribers by the end of this year. But my point is, if you look at the recent videos, the views are declining. 45K, 43K, 34K, right? Coincidence? Well, maybe not. We'll come to this in a second. However, his content is decent. But do you see a trend? AI made this video song, AI this, AI news, AI that, AI tools. It's all the sponsorships and AI news and text to film, AI this, AI workshop. Man, we don't need this so much of AI stuff, right? Give me something practical. This one, 10x income. Wow, 309K subscribers. And this guy or this channel is from Austria, not even US based. Seeing that, amazing, not bad, right? I followed this channel from the beginning. This started about December 19, 2022, almost a year. 300 subscribers is huge. And if you look at his videos, only 27 videos. Look at the views here. 5 days ago, 2 weeks ago. Look at the decline in views. Sure, 100,000 views, one of them, two of them. But the majority of the views, if you look at it, 8 months ago, one video got 4.6 million views that got everything in. This first 4 or 5 videos, they got in most of the subscribers. Okay? And my point is not the views and subscribers, but the point, there are a few things you can learn from this. 27 videos, right? A lot of the channels that's coming out, they're trying to copy this model. They think they will produce one video a month, just like this. If you pay attention, this dude comes with 1 or 2 videos every week or so. In the past, he was doing once a month or so, or twice a month. But of course, once you start getting traction, you start making money from advertising. Who doesn't want to do it, right? But if you look at it, the titles, I don't buy a lot of the stuff that he says or this channel preaches. Meaning, yes, it's just sounds awesome on paper kind of thing. But when you actually try to do it, well, not too fancy. The main money is basically in actually watching the video, which gives him money from advertising. And if you buy the product, basically if you get on the description, there might be some affiliate link to Canva or whatever, that makes him money or the channel money. You get the point? So my question to you, because most of the people watching these videos are trying to mimic So my question, are you trying to reverse engineer the YouTuber or are you trying to learn something from it? Because on my channel, I do the both. I give you both basically. I'm telling you why I do, how I do it. Simple as that. So again, cutting to the chase, most of the channels come out. Some of them will follow the shorts model. Oh wow, if I create shorts, I might do same thing, millions of views. Oh, if I do one video a month just like him, I'm gonna get thousands and thousands. Guess what? It didn't work out for me. Why I'm telling you this? Because everybody has a different journey. I can do the same thing and waste my time over and over again, or I can just follow the pattern I feel I'm comfortable with and continue doing because I'm playing the long game. This channel itself, like I said, I tried to make a viral YouTube video from scratch, 24-hour challenge. Didn't really work out. If you really watch some of the videos, these are not really guide. Most of them are not you can't replicate it. An average Joe cannot replicate it. If I give this channel to my sister or a basic 8th grader and they are not able to do it, then I kind of failed. Well, not exactly, but my mission is to actually make it like a guide. Of course, unless the entire system changes, then I'll have to update the methods, but you get the point. So I decided I'll just keep doing what I'm doing. But wait, it's not about me. Exactly. So if you're watching and you're trying to follow this certain pattern, like, hey, I want to be like this, Mad Wolf. You can't be Mad Wolf. You don't want to be Mad Wolf. You can try. You'll probably fail. Oh, wow, he's doing this 7 days, 3 days. AI news this, AI news that. You can try. You'll probably it'll not work and you'll give up. Hence, stop following or stop copying or mimicking. You can take some of the stuff from the channels, learn some stuff and apply and add your own stuff into it, your twist, and then put it out there. Same thing with this one. But this one, again, just because it has a lot of subscribers and views, for me, this channel is totally irrelevant because I cannot learn much from this. Think about it for a second. Are you watching this viral video because you're trying to learn something, the information, how to make passive income with ChatGPT? Or are you trying to see how the video got viral? You get the point? There are a lot of things you can learn. Are you trying to learn what the teacher is teaching you? Or are you trying to learn how the teacher is teaching you? You get the point? And without wasting time, I'll show you another channel. Third, this one. I mentioned this, right? Same thing. All of a sudden, this guy comes out of nowhere. AI this, AI that, changed all the thumbnails just to get some more views and stuff. How does this help anybody? It doesn't. So hence, it's hard to avoid so much of noise. But again, that's what you can control. Pay attention. The views, again, declining. The fourth channel, if you look at the views, and if you compare to the amount of subscribers, not that well. Some of the channels I've seen with 1 million subscribers, and each videos average about 1,000, 2,000 views. That's brutal. If I have to take 200, 300 views for our 300 subscribers, this channel, Elite System, is doing pretty well. But again, my point is not the views or the subscribers. I actually want you to do something like take action, learn, pass it over to your kids, and that's about it. And last but not the least, this channel is an interesting one. Sure, a little bit of decline, but this channel is more of theoretical. It comes again, once a while, gives a theory, which is huge and kind of boring. However, there is an audience for it. Hence, you can see the views are very decent. This is one of the very few channels which is not clickbaity, but informational. And Mad Wolf is fine, but AI news this and that, nobody wants to make a music video. Well, maybe you do, but you want to make money. I want to make money. Can you show me how to make money? Straightforward. Or how can AI benefit me? Straightforward. So that's the point. I can't cater to any of these YouTubers. Hence, I wanted to follow my own pattern and I created the way I did this from the beginning and I plan on improving. Okay? Now, 10 minutes of this and that. Let's talk about something more interesting. So how do you actually make money? Remember I told you about creating picture bundles for Etsy? Have you tried? Did you at least put it on TikTok, Dropship, and all that store? Maybe not, right? Listen, if you're really interested, if you comment, I promise I'm gonna do a video. If I get enough comments, I'll do a step-by-step video because it takes time. And sure, if I get 10 views, it's sad. An hour-long video, step-by-step detailed, where I show you the logos from here. For example, let me show you this. How about this? Okay? But before that, before I forget, I have a newsletter. And listen, those who are in this newsletter, you know clearly that I have not even sent out one issue. Not even one email. Forget about spam. Not even one email so far. Beside the welcome email, right? Yes, because I told you, I have nothing much to send. And when I do, I want to make it worth it. It's not going to be just an affiliate link or product. Okay, I barely promote anything, and if I do, it has to be something I use on a daily basis or something that elevates my business to the next level, and you'll know exactly what I'm doing. Okay, so that's there. Check it out, elitesystem.co. Now coming back to this, if you want to see a detailed version, I can do a kind of test and show you, because I'm trying to peddle with quite a bunch of stuff, but I do want to get into Etsy in a way. I told you I like to practice and preach. If you remember, I told you to create, I mentioned about creating logo packages. So this is just one of the thing. I don't want to copy and paste. However, think about this for a second. This is just a prompt. Copying this, pasting on Mid-Journey, and coming up with a bunch of this cute looking graphics, right? All right, just giving us a little bit of a taste of it. As I said, if I get enough responses in the comments, I will definitely do a video. So maybe take a minute or a second and not be shy and do it in the comments. Also helps with the algorithm, definitely, because I told you I like to test things. And if it works out, the comment thing works with the algorithm, I'll come and tell you that it worked. So you can also apply it in your channels or whatever. Fair enough? All right, now let me show you something real quick. Last time I talked about ClipDrop, and there were some comments because I didn't mention about this software, ClipDrop, but it was ClipDrop. ClipDrop does quite a bunch of things. It's bistable diffusion, stability, AI. I use a bunch of tools. However, I mentioned Mid-Journey is all you need. You can get a lot of hundreds of other things. And this is the problem of all these AI channels. This is the problem because they come with so many tools that they promote that it distracts us. And hence, I want to keep my channel really clean. I don't want to do anything stupid that'll make me look like a grifter. Because again, I told you, my entire network runs on trust. That's my blood. So ladies and gents, back to this. Stable diffusion Excel, uncrop, reimagine. There are a bunch of things you can do. Remove background. Let's get on this. I'm just going to do something really fancy. I use a screencast tool. You can use any screencast tool. I'm going to simply select this. Now, just look at the quickness of this. I'm going to copy this. Just copy. I'm going to come here, paste it, remove background, zoop. Uh-oh, it didn't work because it has a lot of it. However, guess what I'm going to do? You have the entire stuff here. Check this out. This is live. I could have just edited that out, but nope, it didn't work. So let's take this right now, like this. Individual, right? Go back, remove, boom. There you have it. There you have your pineapple. Now, if you want to upscale this, you click on edit, you can click on upscale, reimagine this. Let's check this out. Look at this. Oh, wow. Okay. I'm not so impressed. But however, you get the point. This is where you need to be creative. You can come up with quite a bunch of stuff. It's gonna fascinate you, all right? You could literally take this, or if you're not happy with it, you can change it, get some other designs, or regardless, we have one here, right? You download this, then you go back, and I'm showing you this literally live. So imagine you have a bunch of this, like 20 of these packs. And like I said, if you want to see it again, comment. I will do it live, and I'm gonna list it on my Etsy and see if we can get some like traction. Not just do it step by step, but actually upload it and see if I can get some result, because I want to make money. So why not do it and make it happen instead of just what I mean by make it happen means give it all. Let's just try for the audience. Let's just give them a clickbait so they can just learn something. No, let me do it first, right? So again, I don't want to waste time. Here, let me even copy this, right? Same thing, just giving you an example. The copy, right? Copy, go back. Oh, reimagine. This is gonna reimagine. Look at this one. Look at this and look at this. This is a unique design you just got out of nowhere. You can upscale this right from here. Upscale, relight, clean up imperfection. Sky replacer. Okay, that's something new. I mean, they just look at this one, right? So over here, I wouldn't do this. I'm just gonna go to remove background. Remove background. Look how quick I do things. All right, and there's a reason behind it. What just happened? That didn't remove anything. All right, I don't know why that happened. Maybe I have to figure out things out. Or again, you get the point. It definitely works. Or just open up in Photoshop. But I'm just showing the simplicity. Or just, let's take this dog. Look at this one. You can have multiple of this breed of dogs. 20 of these cute little dogs of bulldogs. 20 little bulldog collection. 20 little, all right. Where is this? Clear. Oh, why am I taking the same one? Copy, remove, boom. You see? That's it. Now, if you really want to upscale, just to show you real quick, click on upscale. Over here, you can select the mount, 8x, 16x, that's huge. Detailed, 4x, 2x, upscale. Ladies and gents, there you go. Well, estimated time 1 hour. It doesn't usually take that long, but just to show you, all right? And I'm using a paid version. It's $40 a year or so. clip drop. I believe so. But anyways, so basically, that's how you do it. Replace gray sky with blue sky. Interesting. Text remover. Remove text from an image. This actually works. I've tried this before. So this is just one of the examples. Midjourney, clip drop, and I use a couple of other tools, but I'm just going to mention this too, along with ChatGPT plugins. And that's the last one I'm going to show you before I end it. All right. So here is ChatGPT 4. If you get on it, these are some of the plugins here, just some of them. Guess what? You see, remember in the previous one I mentioned, there could be viruses and Trojans and whatnot. Some of the plugins, you have to be careful. Well, my security, the antivirus alerted me on this. Some of them are fake alert, as in fake false alert. Hence, don't play with everything. Just understand what you install and focus on that. I mentioned VoxScript previously, so I have that installed. Enable searching of YouTube transcripts, web browsing, searching, and more. And these are some of the popular ones. You can play with them. Ask a PDF, unlock the power of PDFs. Link Reader, I have WebPilot installed. Some of them work, some of them don't, so I uninstalled it. Prompt Perfect, start your prompt with perfect to craft the perfect prompt every time. So all these will help you to actually get your work done quicker. That's all. VoxScript, it helps you actually to read YouTube, summarize it. You can use the script, use it on any AI related tools, and do multiple things. Remember Spaces we discussed? Same thing with Spaces. Understand what you're running, or else you're wasting time, or you might end up playing with some Trojan or virus. Okay? But remember, we talked about this and voice recording and all this stuff. Because yeah, making a music video might not make sense. Making this movie might not make sense. But think about what I'm saying. I'm talking about images. Makes sense. Everybody uses images. You can sell images, right? That's number one. Second, I talk about voices. AI voice, you can use that. How? One example, and then I'm going to end this video. How about I show you a live example? Well, I just created it. I'm going to show you just two of it. It's a little funny and a little cray, but you'll enjoy. You ready? Let's start with the creepy one.
Chucky.
I rebel track the internal.
Yeah, it came out a little creepy. You hear that? You see that? That's a moving Chucky. Let me show you the second one. And that's it.
I am Turd. And yes, I have been scamming since Tron Chat, and my recent super farm was a multi-million-dollar payday for my insiders. But anyways, pick up some Rebel merch before you exit.
All right, so you get the point. Now you're thinking, hold on, what was that? All right, if you're still confused, you could use the 3D talking avatar. Remember we discussed how to create a 3D talking avatar with realistic AI voice? Exactly. That's exactly what I showed you. Now you have to be creative. And what I mean by that is, you could create ad clips. You could say, subscribe to my channel, promote some affiliate products, create 10-20 seconds clip. The sky's the limit. Make fun of your dog, your friends. Well, maybe not friends, but you get the point. You could even sell it on Fiverr. Yeah, but don't take my job, please. I have pets to feed. So anyways, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you found this episode useful. All right? As much as I enjoy talking with a face, let's keep this channel faceless for a while so I can focus on actually showing you the real methods behind the scenes. Walkthrough. All right? So help me reach more people so together we can actually do something decent. And I have no intention to change the way I do things. If I promote a product, you'll know exactly why I'm doing it and what I'm doing it, the way it is. No hidden stuff. Simple, straight. So please go ahead, use some of the stuff I showed you, do something. Someone told me previously that he or she is actually following one of the methods, my faceless channel method, and started a channel and will report back basically in 2 months or so. That's actually great to hear that. So again, before I end this, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead. I appreciate. And join the list and I'll keep you posted. And as usual, like I said, if you want me to do the Etsy thing, not only just Etsy, I was thinking if I could use the images, on and do something with TikTok Shop, since that's trending. I don't want to get distracted, but if I see some good opportunity, why not take it? Anyways, let me know what you think. Ladies and gents, again, thanks for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.